So you guys from this, or from this to that. Let's see if you can get it your first try.
Shit, we'll see.
I can't believe you did your hair, then you cover it up anyway.
No, I didn't. No.
I got the screws. Oh, right here. Damn.
Okay. I don't even know. It's all one piece, right?
Yes and no. It's one piece, but it bends apart. Like you see on this one, like I put my screwdriver right in here, and you just pry it back.
Okay.
That's all, then it pops out. Looks good. I really want to see how well the hood comes out, man.
So you pull it out from here?
Yeah. Keep applying way more pressure. You see, I already started that side, and then I was like, dang, this one's actually so hard. That side was a lot easier. That's why I had to do this one.
Okay. Let me see.
You don't have to worry about breaking it either. You're replacing it anyway. So put some...
But am I going to pop the whole thing out from this spot?
This piece is going to pop out first. It's going to go pop. And then once that one pops out, then...
Okay, that one's kind of...
Yeah. You're probably going to need... Get the biggest screwdriver you got.
Getting old, man.
Getting old, man. Getting there. Hey, you getting there? It's close. Pop it all out.
This thing's a bitch.
Just yank it out. Yank it on out. There you go. And then you gotta press in on the little, you can use your finger on that, you don't have to use, all right. Yeah, that one is in there. Sitting there pretty good. Wham. And then something like so. Yep, just bends.
I was going to push all that dirt out of there.
It's whatever. Get another bumper later on anyway. Ooh. I like pinched my hand really well earlier. All right, there we go. That one's in. That one's in. Ow! Pinch my hand again.
There you go.
Oh, she's looking meaty already.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
I just really wish that we had.
I just can't wait to get a wrap or a new paint job, man.
We can just do the hood today
actually,
and see how well it comes out.
Yeah, you brought that thing, right? Oh, there you go.
Yep.
Trash these or sell these?
Keep them as backups or sell them. I mean, I think I still have mine. Pretty sure I still got mine. Ooh. Next up is, I say next up be pressure washing the underside. Do the oil pan.
Mm-hmm.
Bet. Nice and clean. It's so crazy seeing another MR2, especially a turbo. Oh, she's sounding pretty bueno. And a working antenna. Your $5,000 car has got more working things on it than my $20,000 car.
Yeah, but you bought yours for 2.
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
Yours didn't have the antenna when you first bought it?
Nope.
Oh,
Always broken. Ooh. Oh. Old pan, goodbye. Start it up now. The car.
Oh,
I thought you were gonna walk over the Man, it's really not that bad. Especially after, I sprayed it for a hot minute. That's after we've already sprayed it. Yeah, we're gonna need the pressure washer for this. Oh, it's gonna be so clean. All right, go ahead, give her a rip. You started.
What you saying to pull the choke?
Pull the choke back.
Yes.
Yep. And then pull the handle. You get the. There you go. Got that high power. Woo. Sheesh. I really want to see like the transformation. Looking at this video versus in the future, it's gonna be insane. It's gonna be nice. I want me once. I don't know why you chose that sweater, bro.
What are you talking about?
Chose a Nike Patriot sweater
Yeah.
for your car. Well, you don't care about the Patriots anymore?
Oh, I mean, I still love my team, but they're trash. They're trash now.
They're the equivalency of
Hey,
how it looks right now.
I got
on
to
the
watch
dirt.
my team win 5 Super Bowls.
Oh, that's true. That's true. That's something I can't say. Easiest way is kick the top of the wheel. There you go.
Ah,
A little trick. A little trick.
I see you.
Ooh. What? Bro, you got like a wheel speed sensor? Mine don't have that. That's crazy. But, so what we're going to be loosening is, we're going to be loosening Exhibit A. Or, no, not that. Actually, Exhibit A is back here.
Okay.
This whole piece slides up and then comes out. And then after that, then we'll be taking the bracket off and take the rotor out. So let's see how Alex does it.
It's going to be like this.
Oh, let me go on the other side. Let me go on the other side.
Hey, I just wish
I want to
they
get the
I
veins
wish-
in your
I
face.
Wish, I wish they could have saw you do it.
I want to get the veins in your face.
That was you.
I was worse. Oh.
God damn. I'm afraid I'm gonna break this bitch.
The veins.
Hey, they're loosening them up though.
Your face.
You got that big man.
That's not fair. fair. This side was easier, dog.
Hey, I got the other side too.
I got the first.
You took one off the other side. I don't want to hear shit.
I took 2 off. The second one I loosened for you.
Oh, yeah.
I felt it break free.
Hey, I've taken
And you still struggle. I took them off. I just make sounds when I take them off.
Just make sounds? Sound like you're making...
Oh.
I ain't gonna go there.
Oh. Crusty. Crusty. Not crusty. Looks like a real shop now. I like the way it looks atop the wheels. Because it just like looks like that we could be throwing on some really meaty tires.
Yeah. Yeah,
soon, man.
What it could be.
Yeah, what it could be. Oh, can't wait.
Which ones are?
Sheesh. Ooh. Oh. Oh, crusty, dog. It's so crusty. I bet you my backs look the same. I haven't replaced my back rotors in like 5 years. All right, let's see how these rotors look. Unboxing those. Oh, shit, bruh.
That's beautiful.
That's gorgeous. It'll tell you rear. It normally should say like right rear.
It's got an R right there, but
yeah, it's got an R, but normally
talking about like
it should say like what side. What, you just cut your hand?
no. Just made a sound.
I will figure it out.
Ooh, bro.
Try it again. Keep going.
Ah, fuck.
What was that about? Me being weak?
Let's see you doing that.
All right. Watch a master at work. All right, make sure. Yeah, that's correct.
Oh, you're gonna hide your face, huh? I see.
Oh, God. Oh. All right, let me break the bottom too. On there, dog. Like how your dad said, I better get some sloppy toppy after this.
I'll talk to my girl, man. So we can work out.
Oh, I feel like every vein in my face came out. Yank. Let's see how high this thing sits. This shock. Oh, got the new brakes on. You can barely see because it's stock wheels, but they're in there. Ooh, slightly see them. Oh, this car has so much potential. I cannot wait to see the end result. I'm more excited for this car than my own car. The end result on this is gonna be insane, I bet. The before and after, that's definitely a before. It's broken right here. Sheesh. Ugh, that's definitely a before. How trashy the paint looks. Ready?
Yeah, you can drive it if you want.
I'm gonna have you back it out first.